St. Vincent and the Grenadines was placed under hurricane watch at 11 a.m. today, Saturday, the 29th of June. And what was a tropical storm, and it is a tropical storm into a hurricane, is expected to continue to strengthen as it approaches our islands. It is predicted to intensify. At 11 a.m. today, Saturday the 29th, the center of Tropical Storm Beryl was located 10.0 degrees north, 47.8 west, or 930 miles east of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, with maximum sustained winds nearing 65 miles per hour. Hurricane force winds are normally 74 miles per hour. A hurricane watch, which was declared at 11 a.m. on Saturday, the 29th of June, means that sustained winds of 74 miles per hour or greater are expected across St. Vincent and the Grenadines within the next 48 hours. Beryl is expected to become a dangerous hurricane by the time it reaches near St. Vincent and the Grenadines, which is predicted, given the current track of the storm, would hit us sometime mid-morning on Monday, the 1st of July. It is coming from the south of Barbados. You'd look at the track on television, on your computer, on your cell phone, and it is coming up to the Grenadines, southern Grenadines, up into Bequia, and on track to hit the Grenadines and hit St. Vincent, and then it is expected to go out into the Caribbean Sea. That is the current track. You can look at it. I'm explaining it in simple terms to you. The tropical storm conditions are likely to intensify across St. Vincent and the Grenadines by late Sunday night, and Category 2 hurricane conditions, and it may even be more than a Category 2 hurricane. These conditions, Category 2 or higher, may well hit us in St. Vincent and Grenadines by mid-morning Monday.